Alright, y'all, we are shooting with the OPPO A57. As you can see, I'm holding a box and I'm using the rear facing camera. I just tweaked the settings or display. I added the grid, I added the level, shot in the default video mode. That's it. I didn't change any of the picture quality settings. And features include 32-watt fast charging, 5000 milliamp hour battery, 6.56-inch rich color display, and stereo speakers. So these are the features of that phone. Let's try to get a close up, see if we can see how close we can get with the camera on this phone. I believe it defaulted to 1080p 30 fps. I got the glowing green variant or colorway. This is very nice. Reminds me of a phone from a certain fruit company. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox some stuff just to showcase the camera of this phone. And we are using natural light coming from the window. I just added a bit of mood lighting in the background. That's it. Alright, news from MediaTek. These guys are really amping it up in 2023, not just in the mobile space, but in the hardware that's in your laptops. And they will also be coming up with some Wi-Fi hardware, which you might see with your local telcos or telco companies. And of course, they are going to try to capture or be more aggressive in the flagship segment, because right now MediaTek is dominating. They're winning the lower segments, but they're losing to the upper range or to the flagship segment to Qualcomm. So that is something that we are looking forward to in 2023. A bit of competition, healthy competition is nice, so that everyone benefits, especially the consumers. And this appears to be a tumbler. First time I'm getting a tumbler from MediaTek. Let's try to open it. Alright. Thank you, MediaTek, for this nice tumbler. Let's try to focus. Alright. How's it looking so far with the OPPO A57? It is, by the way, powered by MediaTek as well. Helio G35, if I'm not mistaken. It's a Helio G35 powered smartphone. Okay. Ooh, interesting. So, some post-its, I guess. Everyday genius. And there are some pins as well. But what happened? I think that this pin fell off. It was supposed to be here. So it's not exactly a pin, more like a ornament. So it's supposed to stick on the back side of this post-it pad. And there's a lanyard from MediaTek. Does it have the MediaTek logo? Alright, there it is. And that appears to be their new slogan. Everyday genius. Let's focus. Nice. Okay, next. Something that we are familiar with from the previous unboxings that we did on this channel. Guess what? It's the Realme Buds Air 3. Still have the original Realme Buds Air 3 from when we did our hands-on a few months ago. And this is same color, white. Very good pair of earbuds from Realme. Decent sounding, also good quality voice for calls. And lastly, this is an envelope for your documents and stuff. Everyday genius. Love the new slogan from MediaTek. Okay, thank you MediaTek for sending all this stuff. We appreciate it. And now we move on to this kit right here. It's called doppkit. And they are supposed to be a men's grooming brand. So if you ever if you're into skincare and all that, you might want to check out their website. It's www.doppkit.co. Okay. And there's a message written on the back. Let's read it real quick. Welcome to doppkit. We created doppkit for the mindful man. We exist because we want to take the guesswork out of your daily skincare and grooming routines. Our mission is to make these rituals easier. We want to do the filtering for you, to distill the information, products, and the do's and don'ts so you can begin to invest in yourself in a safe and no fuss manner. So they're curating basically the skincare or the personal hygiene products, and these are some of the products you can get. Very simple packaging, I love it. So this is a facial cleanser, triumph and disaster. Up next, Salt and Stone Natural Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. And this is a moisturizer. It's called Smooth Operator for the groom man. I like that name. For all you bros out there, if you're a smooth operator, then you might want to check this out. All right, it's a moisturizer. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed, but there's a nice little message. Hey, good looking. A smooth operator needs a smooth face. I think I need this. I've been having breakouts lately. I think it's from all the stress. And this is deodorant, natural deodorant. Okay, how do I open this? Salt and Stone. Are they implying that the product has salt and stone inside of it? I don't know. It's a deodorant though. It's fragrant. Love the smell. Next. Facial scrub. There you go. Facial scrub. Anthony. So is that the smell or the, I don't know, product model? Why does it say Anthony? Yeah, okay, anyways. This is what it looks like inside. So it is your facial scrub. Can't wait to try them out. And that ends our little show and tell for both MediaTek and doppkit. Do you guys have any question about any of the brands that we just showcased? So we have OPPO A57. Watch out for the unboxing and for the hands-on review of this phone. which will be publishing in about 2 weeks or so. Then MediaTek, watch out for their new line of um, products, chipsets. And of course, if you're into personal hygiene and grooming, check out doppkit.co. Alright, thank you for watching. Till next time.